Yes, me and boys. Good morning, my beautiful KNJ family. Yes, I'ma just wake up. Don't watch me ear. Just wake up, just wake up, just wake up. I'm going to start my morning. I'm gonna say, make carry on for my journey with me this morning. So everything I'm have to do with this morning, I'm not gonna do it with me. So I'm gonna just stay tuned. Wake up, I'm gonna wash my face, brush my teeth, well go bed, put on some clothes, go on the road, go do some drop off and come back home and just see what the day take with. So now just stay tuned with me, alright? I hope home Junior here. Good morning guys. So I'm gonna pull out the gate here, like you know it back. So we can run and go on the road and come back.
You see it.
Where did my shirt?
What?
Where did my shirt? Keep your shirt and take it back. Wasn't that nice?
First water, I'll see you wash.
So yes guys, we finish for here. It might not be straight. I'm telling you, I am not good at cornrows, cane rows, or any type of row. Evaline, but see there. Yes guys, so I may get rid of them there, watch a cookie challenge. If you don't watch it already, no go and go watch it. Just watch it and not to say. Junior upset because he didn't want to go first. So my ears stay. So oh, whether it be long or tall it is, 2 years me I grow my hair for 2 years. Come my hair the cream, I'm a ball it off, ball it off, edit ball off. All I have use was brush it back and use gel and rub up in it. And it took me 2 years to my hair grow and reach this far. So I stay up on the journey with my ear and see for the next 2 years how far it I reach. Guys, what did you do in that spray of my perfume? I'm coming out of my things in that spray. What's my perfume for?
You smell me smell perfume?
Me hear it.
Some perfume alone in your own gas spray?
What?
Are you hearing something in your own gas spray?
Yes, I might want alone sounds a body splash alone or sounds when I spray it. A bleach a spray for yourself?
So I bleach alone sounds up?
Smell it for you. I tell you no. Never even knows America. The last time I passed the camera off. Alright guys, see there? Need that. You know, you can plug them and cup up in the ear for them relax. Or just put that at anyhow. Good to go. Yeah, yeah. It's like my neck hurt me. So bad. Wake up this morning with a crick neck. If I had to have one of them here, is a massage gun. The head them interchangeable. Come with 15, I think a 15 head. So that one here, I'm assuming it's to the neck because you fit the neck so well. It have some ball and some other stuff. Me I tell you man, it's a life changer. It have this one in my house go up to 20, 30 on the speed. So I put it on 16. Whenever I can see it. 16. And take it around my neck. Oh God. You rub this by your neck, man. Woo! So yes, people. Out. 6:30 and the dot. 32 still late. Go on, Misty. I'm gonna take out my mask. Yeah. So guys, you know, say I go up on the road, you fresh up your beard, brush your teeth, everything. You have to make sure that whole thing intact. Or at least 3 before you go up on the road. You have to make sure say you wash your face properly. Nothing in your nose and nothing in your teeth. Right?
You dig? This thing going part title.
I should go out, you know. Then I drive in mode, so. Uncle go drive this morning. Yes, guys. It's time for me to go out, you know. Don't watch your phone case. Something did upon it and it itch and tear it. Record back again on my car. Yes. Make sure remember this morning to turn off the music. I remember the one I'm out there the whole time I record I have the music on and don't remember to turn it off. I have a very bad habit. I'm gonna do a pick off the studs them off my hand. So don't rub my hand on them and pick them off.
You see that?
Well.
You see me giving me
They come up.
customary Virgin. Me have to move me alma mater tie out of the way anytime me record in the area. You see me? So who not catch it by now, you know, say me is a barman.
Yeah, babe, you're joking.
Rubber lock.
I want rumhead. Bar.
I'm not no rumhead.
And you just said, and nobody said for you.
You say me a rumhead, me say me is a barman.
Yes, so when people do a bar.
That's why your phone now fix.
Over here.
A ton and drop top all over the place.
I just want to catch you in a head.
Catch me. Sit a drop. How me go again now? Oh, so.
Yes, so I have 5 little ones to pick up. A 5? 5 or 6. Don't remember, but I think a 5 of them. 5 little ones to pick up. So yes, this is how my journey is. In the morning time, I leave out by 6:30. Then we can pick up and everybody reach at school before 8. You have to hustle the money, hustle the money.
You dig? I kind of hear this a stick out.
You're a regular ear. You can't around it, have a little piece like that.
Yeah, peeps, you don't know.
So I almost reached the first little one.
Yeah, you know. Don't know the thing already.
Right there with our baby. Why people have to hold baby like that? Them hold them like, basically, them hold them and leg out the bottom part of them body, and them hold them and catch them in them hand away. So why them have alright, every time the one man see me in calls me. Every time.
There's a madman magnet.
No sir. He's a
That
man.
sound good.
He's a man. He's a macho.
That not so good.
I agree. I married one of them.
That means it.
I agree.
That means I'm a madman then. Shoot.
Every time, every morning, almost, not every morning exactly, almost every morning. Sometimes I pass him further up the road, sometimes I pass him down that side here. Every morning him see me, he either throw a kiss off of me or something.
Better don't throw no kiss with me then. I don't want no kiss catch me.
I don't throw nothing off of you.
No, for me, then suppose him throw it and you not catch it.
Like that.
Suppose him throw it and you not catch it.
You know, move out of the way. You sight out of the way.
Can't see.
You can't see what when the kids are come. Just probably see it come though. You just back up. And I was me wash I know what. The ear treatment when I get ear from the last time I do it. And I wash my hand with the soap. It give it on the soap, give it the smell like the Dove. The Dove bar soap. Smell it. The Dove bar soap smell like crayon. But I like it. Like using it.
Yeah, peeps, so we'll reach out.
We'll reach our first pick up.
So,
First I go on to pick up.
I don't know. Check on the back later, isn't it?
Like Friday mornings. So yes guys, we're into Greater Portmore now for my second pickup and drop off, which is in Greater Portmore. So look when I pick up a Greater Portmore, I get drop off. Same place in a Greater Portmore.
That is not Greater Portmore.
Says where?
Tell you say when I run away from town come to Portmore.
So where?
That is Nago Head.
My bad. Greater Portmore.
Run away. If you talk about Greater Portmore and Nago Head, I see a place. Where the people come from?
So which part, which part the mall then? Yeah? Down where the mall is. What them call down that side? Lesser Portmore?
Which mall?
Which part Portmore mall there? Down here so then. Where down here is the name? Lesser Portmore?
No.
So why you have Greater Portmore, you don't have Lesser Portmore?
Yeah, one place where you use the car, so yes.
Lesser Portmore?
Yeah.
Which part?
One place is on Wally Zinc House you there, but that don't exist again.
Guys, she try so hard to get catch the camera, but I don't have permission from my mommy, so I not put her in it. So I reach up Greater Portmore side again. Alright, so now with the Bridgeport. So what is your name? Go here, so I don't say name. Because everyone me tell, I don't say name. So yes guys, this is the school where Junior used to go. The school where him so called jump over the pan and bust out the whole of him foot. Bridgeport Primary School. Accident happened out here, so I don't know how the accident happened, but it was a very bad accident. Two car them mash up.
Fit
and not so fit.
Honda fit and one very fit. Fitter than the fit. I want them whole school. I think I want Fiat, you know. Them whole car there. Iron. I tell you, original the fit engine look like it drop out. Oh, man.
Because it never so fit at all. So yes, reaching over my little location. I'm going to pick up my second baby. So I'm going to feed her now. No, what am I doing? I'm sitting on the veranda playing tablet. So I'll go feed him. Papa AJ. Good morning. I take your bag.
Red boy.
Your lunch kit.
Red boy.
Yes, just pick up my second baby. And my beat up uncle.
Yeah, so them time you know we're going in auntie and uncle mode. And K and J. Auntie K, Uncle Junior. You see me? So we have whole heap of money because you know. When I there at work, Lee. Don't know.
When I there at work, K. That's not just from K. K.
Yeah, see it so. Don't know. They are going do the juggling, you see me? Don't you have to respect me hustling, you know? Or our hustle. You don't see how you think already.
Yes.
Time's rough. So we have to go and dig it out.
One day, want a bus.
Yeah, man.
You see it? I want a bus.
I go and work towards it. You see me? Because school so open back class, face-to-face class. You don't know anything go. You see me? Get a bus and join back with the association. Maybe, or just open my own business, you know, going on an association, just license a vehicle, put a red plate on it and just do one thing. You see me?
Yes.
And just keep business a name instead of going on an association. You see me? Uncle K and Auntie.
Auntie J. Uncle K, Auntie J.
Oh, boy.
Why? I'm being foolish as him talking about Uncle K and Auntie J.
I just recently wake up.
But him just recently wake up. You know how long he wake? So guys, we'll reach our HS school. We're gonna see what go on. Then after that we'll leave there. So we got a third baby to go pick up, which are Brenton.
Yeah.
That are in Passage Foot. So we'll go back where we start from. Because we have to come the far in first. You know, I'm not give my AJ. So touch base like. Tell me how it comes. Price mark it. A bill up.
You don't say a price, man.
I don't know. That's over here, say a price mark.
I suppose when it done, bill on a price, man.
So,
Wrong information I give people around.
oh well. Oh well.
Suppose that is a price.
Listen, me never ask when I man them over there and them say yes it's price mark, them a bill up. So now we're at the stoplight in 20 road, at 20 road. So there's where we have the Bonjour gas station, the total gas station, where you can go buy a hot dog and stuff for it. And then further up you have 100-man police station, isn't it?
Is that Portmore tour elephant this morning?
Portmore tour, yeah.
Portmore tour.
That's the name. K&J Portmore tours.
Yeah. So if you want the exclusive tour of Portmore, come check with in store.
I don't say that, you must say. Maddy and Nathaniel.
Watch your wire.
Yes. Don't somebody made it for me. So yes guys, we just reached the AJ school. So I'm gonna carry me now, sign for him and make him go sleep because that's the teacher them say I'm gonna do it. So I left the camera with Uncle Junior. Let me just go and go do my thing and come back.
Why would that down there? Yeah, peeps, they don't know there. You see me? Doing the morning routine already.
Put up on YouTube.
It's not all around there. Jump up and down like fresh. She just well one in a video light.
The star girl.
But you don't know. Big up on yourself, is it? Check in back when Auntie K forward.
Just drop him off, sign for him, and him gone in, gone lie down. So I live. So I have to pick up the third baby now, Brenton. Yeah, so we reach the Brenton. I'm going to see what I go and find the tube. Let's see it. Brenton, yeah? You like Brenton? Guys, Brenton is so chirpy. I'm so excited for go to school. I'm so excited for come home. I'm so excited for see me. He's just such a chirpy baby. Time him just, oh gosh, him just so pleasant. So yes guys, we're up on Jeremy Road now. I make go way around to Augusta Drive to pick up Brenton. Yeah. So we'll pick up Natalia about 6:40. Pick up AJ 6:45, 6:50. The road empty so we can reach up quick. I know what time now. 7:15. I go for Brenton. No, man, 7:16. Yeah, so we reach Augusta Drive now. Go for Brenton. I wish I could have shown how excited him is. But we come a man in time. You know, when nobody take him bag, he just want to put on him bag and just head straight through the gate and come in the car. So excited for school. Yes guys, so we reach Brenton location now. I'm gonna go film a lady in her sections there at the gate. Oh that Brenton! Good morning! What's up? Morning. See, tell her so excited. Oh, she's not gonna see you. Later. Hey, what's up? Run him. So excited. Come, Papa.
We're in the air.
Natalia in there. Good right here. Step up, Papa. Step up. Oh, up. Alright, go on over. You alright?
Yeah.
Alright. He wants him a little bit. He's so tiny. Papa Brent. He's so tiny. I want to see him. And he's just bright.
The service on this.
So, pick up Brenton now. We're head to Waterford. Pick up three of them have a Waterford. When I pick up Taraji first, then I pick up Tyra, and then I pick up Little Bigger. Damali. So the on George Lee Boulevard now. Funny story, how I know the name of the road here. You know, say about 3 years ago, me and Junior I walk. I come from over Portmore Town Centre, and one yellow bus, one of them 6 bus, one of them bus there. One of them 6 bus there. The bus pass and reverse and liquid down. It was such a frightening thing to see. Because when me get licked, the bus push me forward, but it Junior drop underneath the bottom of my bus. And the bus still a reverse, so I don't know how I get the strength from driving from underneath the bus. Guys, it was so frightening. It was so frightening. Believe me. Yeah, so we're going to put a you know, it's a breadfruit there. Oh my. Buy breadfruit.
Today. What to do? You Spanish that?
Yeah, that you did in the background. Natalia asked him if he knows Spanish. Him say yes. Uno. Dos. Tres. Alright, so now we reach Taraji now. So I take her, put her in her car, put her back. She have a wheel bag in her back.
So, wheel bag?
No wheel bag, a draw bag, wheel bag. It have wheel on it. So yeah, we just pick up Taraji. And now we are headed to the bottom of Waterford to pick up Tyra. And then we go pick up Little Bigger. So the time I pick up Taraji at 7:29. Yeah, baby girl.
Goodbye, Daddy.
Alright. So we reach now for Tyra.
Exactly. And you know of
Pull up our gate.
anything you want anything?
Come on, now I'm just take our stuff and put it at the back.
Oh no, man. Ow.
So we reach Tyra. Yes.
Up there at first.
So I'm just put in Tyra now. So Tyra there with the rest of
What time is it now? And you
the
couldn't
rest of the
dress
clan.
up. And you couldn't dress up.
So now
That's a bit robust first.
we're head for
You go back.
the Marley, Little Bigger.
But
After that now drop off them big one here and then pick up Amir and then drop the babies them. The rubbish truck ever block up the road. Ever in the middle of the road, like them can't pull over one side so people can pass go about them business. Yeah, so the time is now 7:36. And we reach now for the Marley.
Just be
Yo.
Yes.
Their mother have a newborn. Take the baby.
Twin with the small leg.
You buy next one. I'm so excited with the mother at school at morning time. Every morning he come and him pop off my finger. Oh, my auntie.
And guess what?
Good morning. So just pick up Little Bigger. Put him stuff them in our back. And sit down around there beside the Brenton. So we head now to park them big one here. Pick up one more baby and then we drop off the babies them.
I'm going to
Yeah, so we just drop off Taraji and Natalia and Tyra at school. So yes guys, just pick up Amir. So I drop off the little one them at school and now. All Amir and I'm on to try to get him to stop climb come around. Pan stop climb come around at the front and stay in a seatbelt. So after we drop him off, I'm link on the back again, alright? Yes guys, so we just drop off Brenton and Amir. And I forgot go back now, we drop off a little bigger because we pass out time school about 10 minutes past 8 and the school not open yet. Teacher, I see teacher pass walk down the road, so we have to end up go back out of the school if we drop him. School start 8:30 and 10 minutes past 8 the school not open yet. A basic school. So I don't know. Look bigger, alright? You know, alright? Why? You just fear the monster? Monster in the car. Just drop off the Marley from our school. And head home now. I go get something to eat first. I don't know what, but get something to eat. I feel like I might cook some chicken and chips. I'll fry some chicken and chips. For breakfast. I know what I'm going to do here. I have some bouquet for make for your bride. Some of my just and some boutonnieres. I might just do the boutonniere them and get them out of the way. And then I do the bouquet them after. Because I don't really have the colour. So I have to go try to sort out the colour. Try to see if we can get the flowers them in the colour. Or I have to go buy the flower spray and spray it in the colour what she wants so she can get it. So they put some out now, I don't. I link when I'm go work at them. And then we head out. Head home. Let me take off my hat. So we are back home. Oh. Just got up the road a while ago and find a barrage, a pipe, one whole heap, a pipe like nothing. Whole heap of them, all different shape, cause them been so all different shape, and them cut up and they're just perfect for me want them for. See, cut them and use them and make the angle and bouquet them. So me did I go buy pipe because I run out of pipe to make the handles. So sometimes I use that. I buy the broomstick. And maybe cut off the head, cut it up and use it as angle. Like broomstick like them here. And use it like for the angle. Or maybe buy the pipe. Depends on how I feel I'm going to place. So I have to buy angle or pipe for a while to make bouquet angle. So that is so good and pass and see. I was so excited a while ago. You want to see me over in a garbage. I pick up, look like a mad woman, a dumpster die. But got to do what you got to do though. Lala. Glad him never catch me. I look like a mad woman over in a garbage there. I take out the pipe them. I just pick up the recording when we leave out for go to pick up them for today. So catch you. Oh yes. That's what him say, like up the video. Yes. So just go and stay tuned. So guys, remember to like, comment, subscribe, and share up the videos. If you're new guys, remember to subscribe. Hit that subscribe button. Hit it. See the little bell right there beside it. Hit the station. Click it too. Yeah. So you get a notification anytime we upload a new video. Alright, so stay tuned. Yes, guys, so it's now
on the street again.
12:36 So pick up begins. So I'm gonna pick up Namali first. Educator Pomore pick up AJ. Then pick up Brent and them, and then pick up the bigger one them after that. I'm gonna drop on little one them first, then I pick up the bigger one them after that. So
yeah guys, don't know. Check my swag. See that broke color style me go here now in the evening settings. Bathe and smell fresh. Come with the freshest morning. It's fresher now, it's right. Yeah, boy.
So when we reach for Damali may we check him back. So
Slimmy, big up on a nice clean self. So go on, you like school today? You like school today?
So yes guys, just pick up Damali. So I go for AJ and one thing. So I'm gonna reach AJ, we'll check in. So I'm gonna check in like a bank. Can check go in and out a bank, and I'm gonna check in like
I have no idea.
like hospital.
Check,
Hospital now check in and check out.
check in like a hotel.
I check in, alright, so I check in like a hotel.
Yeah.
See more work here with him today?
That's so pretty.
Alright.
Yeah, people, so you don't know reach for AJ. Auntie K gone for him. Some more parents are checking in for them little ones. That's it. So, there, evening shift vibes, you see me? It's a little bigger there. I go a little bigger. I can show a little bigger because a little bigger I'm a brethren. Right? Cool no man. Don't know. Big up on yourself.
Pick up AJ from school. So he man little big around there. I'm going with them bag of things. So I touch base again when I pick up Brent and them.
I'll pick up Mama's.
Alright. So AJ just get drop home. So on the way to pick up the other little one them now. Bigger, little bigger. So when they will pick up the others them now, touch base again. Again. Son hot your afraid. Oh gosh. So we just pick up Brenton and Amir and about to drop them home. So we reach the yes baby. So we're gonna pick up the girl as him say. We reach the bigger one them school. We
pick up the girl now.
Yeah, clock in back.
Clock in again.
Now we have to
Just drop home Amir. So now see him again until Monday. Yes, no, so our time. I don't dare say you're home. For real? Yes! So our time to drop home Brenton now. Guys, we me just see one little boy. Look like him not past about 7-year-old or so. I carry our next baby, look like the baby they about 2-year-old. On a bicycle I carry home. A 3 baby I ride, I carry baby on bicycle. Some of them parents I think about. So when we drop home Brenton, touch base again. Yes. So we just drop home Brenton. We're gone in the excitement as usual. Tita! Yes, little bigger now. Oh yes, we'll go for the girls them first and then we'll drop home little bigger, alright?
No, the girl is gonna fight me down.
No man, them not fight you.
They're gonna fight me down and then
We just reach and pick up Tyra, Natalia and Taraji. So I drop them home now. When I finish drop off the last person, which is Damali, I touch base with you now again and wrap up things, alright? So soon again. So everybody got dropped home safely, and me and
Uncle J.
Eddie no. Guys, it's now 2:30 and me and Eddie in. Okay, so I grab some little stuff on the road. We're gonna cook for dinner and thing. So I just go in and now and fresh up and just relax for a minute and then I don't know. Yeah. He might go hit the stove. You know, he might go hit the
Don't know.
stove for his stove, you know.
Don't know, man. I just check in another time for a day in the life of Uncle Junior and Auntie K. I made a mistake like this morning.
What up, man? Anyway, guys, thank you for watching the video. If you watch it this far, thank you so much for watching. And remember to like,
comment,
subscribe, and share up the videos.
you don't know, you see me.
Focus for the road. Boy. Anyway, guys, catch you now again. Enough love. Stay safe.
Always. Big up.